Everyone knows about ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. But today, I'm going to show you another AI tool called Kimi AI. This AI is getting a lot of attention because it can help with coding, research, website creation, and many other tasks. In this video, I'll give you a complete tour of the Kimi interface, explain its main features, and then we'll use it to build a real AI automation agency website. So make sure you watch until the end, because you'll see the final website that Kimi creates. Before we start, let's quickly understand what Kimi AI is. Kimi is a large language model, just like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. You can ask questions, generate content, write code, do research, and even build websites using simple prompts. What makes Kimi interesting is that it combines multiple tools in one platform. Instead of using separate tools for coding, documents, research, and websites, you can do many of these tasks directly inside Kimi. That's why a lot of developers, creators, and business owners are starting to try it. Kimi interface. Now let's take a look at the Kimi interface. When you open Kimi, this is the dashboard you'll see. On the left side, you have different sections. First, there is New Chat. This is where you can start a normal conversation with the AI. Below that, you can see Slides. This can help create presentations. Next is Websites. This is the section we'll use later in this video to generate a website. Then we have Docs. This can help with document creation and editing. There is also Deep Research, which is useful when you need detailed information on a topic. You also get Sheets for data-related work. Agent Swarm is another interesting feature that helps manage AI workflows. And finally, Kimi Code, which is focused on coding and development tasks. In the center, you have the prompt box where you simply type what you want Kimi to do. Overall, the interface looks clean and easy to use. So why are people interested in Kimi AI? There are a few reasons. First, it performs well in coding tasks. Second, it can generate websites quickly. Third, it has research tools built into the platform. And fourth, it brings multiple productivity features together in one place. This makes it useful for freelancers, developers, students, and business owners. Now let's move to the most exciting part of this video. Let's build a real website using Kimi. For this example, I'm going to create a website for an AI automation agency. An AI automation agency helps businesses automate tasks using AI tools and workflows. So I'll give Kimi a prompt like this. Create a modern AI automation agency website with a hero section, services section, testimonials, pricing, and a contact form. Let's submit the prompt and see what happens. As you can see, Kimi starts generating the website structure. First, it creates a professional hero section. Then it adds service sections explaining what the agency offers. Next, it generates testimonials to build trust. It also adds pricing plans and a contact section. Everything is organized in a professional layout. Now let's improve it further. We can ask Kimi to make the design more modern. We can ask for better colors. We can request animations. We can even change the entire style of the website. And that's one of the biggest advantages of AI-powered website creation. You simply describe what you want, and the AI updates the design for you. Now let's take a look at the final website. Honestly, it looks pretty good. The layout is clean. The sections are well organized. The content is structured properly. And most importantly, it gives us a solid starting point for a real business website. Of course, if you're building a production-level website, you'll probably want to make some manual improvements. But for generating ideas, prototypes, or even client projects, This can save a lot of time. After testing Kimi, I think it's a very interesting AI platform. I like the fact that it combines multiple tools in one place. The website generation feature is useful. The coding capabilities are impressive. And the interface is easy to understand. If you're someone who works with AI, websites, automation, or coding, Kimi is definitely worth trying. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this Kimi AI review and website building demo, make sure to leave a like. Subscribe to the channel for more AI tools, automation tutorials, and business-related content. And let me know in the comments which AI tool you'd like me to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.